Hi, I am Oscar Daniel Beltrán Prieto. I am a sport management student, and today I will talk to you about my article Be Green, talking about actions and future consequences, how to take care of the environment. If we change car for bikes, will reduce pollute emissions. If we recycle iron, we will reduce meaning. When planting trees, we help in the production of oxygen. When we must raise our awareness about the importance of the water car. When recycling paper, we reduce deforestation. Thank you. Bye.